In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default zoom level in Google Docs. If you've ever opened a document and felt like the text looked too small or too large, adjusting the zoom can make your workspace much more comfortable. It's a simple change, but it can really improve readability and make editing easier, especially if you spend a lot of time working in Google Docs. To begin, look at the toolbar near the top of your Google Docs window. You'll find the Zoom drop-down menu there, and in most cases, it displays 100% by default. Go ahead and click that Zoom menu to open the list of available viewing sizes. This menu controls how large or small the document appears on your screen, but keep in mind that it only affects your view. It won't change the actual font size in the document, and it won't affect how the document prints. Once the menu is open, select the zoom level that works best for you. You might see options like 50%, 75%, 100%, 125%, or 200%. Smaller zoom levels can be helpful if you want to see more of the page at once, while larger zoom levels are better if you want the text to appear bigger and easier to read. Choose the setting that feels most comfortable for your screen size and your personal preference. After you select a zoom level, Google Docs will immediately update the view. At this point, it's important to understand how Google Docs handles this setting. The zoom level is usually remembered for the current document or sometimes for your current browser session. However, Google Docs does not offer a built-in option to set one zoom level as the permanent default for every new document you create. So if your goal is to make one specific zoom setting apply automatically across all future documents, that isn't currently available as a standard setting in Google Docs. Instead, you'll need to adjust the zoom manually whenever you open a new document and want a different view. As a practical tip, if you regularly prefer the same zoom level, make it a habit to check the toolbar as soon as you open a file. That way, you can quickly switch to your preferred view before you start writing or editing. It only takes a second, and it helps create a more consistent workspace. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to change the zoom level in Google Docs and what to expect when trying to use it as a default setting.